Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's learn a Python program, that is write a Python program to retrieve strings starting with M and having 5 characters. So given a string as input to the Python program, so your task is to retrieve or print the strings or word that starts with the M, that is a letter M. So if the word starts with letter M and has 5 characters, so you have to print or retrieve it. So that is a problem statement. So let's try to solve this. So let me take a string variable and ask a user to enter a string, and let's use input function call, and here let's say enter a string. Yeah, so once the user enters a string, so it will be stored in this variable. So now let's take another variable, that is words, and try to split with, that is split this particular string into a words. So let's take words, that is new variable, and let's take string and try to split this using the split function call. So we'll be having the words of this particular string stored in this variable, and this of type list. So now, so let's try to retrieve the string starting with M and having the, that is 5 characters, that is length is 5. So let's use a print function to print the, that is string starting with M and having the 5 characters, that is having 5 characters is, so this type of user friendly message. So let's give dot dot dot, and here let's print the is. And now, so let's use a for loop to iterate all the words present, that is all the word present in this particular list, and try to check if it is starting with M as well as having the length of 5. So let's use for loop, that is for word in words. So this is a list of words, and let's check if it starts with M. So let's use the if statement and word of 0. So that is a first item or the first letter I am taking and comparing it with the M, that is a character. And also, so we have to check the length is equals to 5. So let's use a built-in function, length of word is equals to 5. Yeah, so this is a method to check if it is starting with M as well as its length is 5. So what you have to do is just use a print function to print it, that is we need to print a word, and let's use a end equals to some space. So let's give some space. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to retrieve strings starting with M and having 5 characters. Yeah, so let me execute this, and let me show you how it works. So here enter a string, so let me copy paste the same, and here you can see the string starting with M and having 5 characters is it has not printed anything. Yeah, so let me close this. So let me run it again. So the first one was for the negative scenario. So now let's say mango is 2 So you can see the string starting with M and having 5 characters is, that is a mango. So you can see this is a particular, that is having the, that is having the first character as M and has the length of 5. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to retrieve strings starting with M and having the 5 characters. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.